Absolutely highly cloth. How do you do that? It's a bit suspicious, isn't it?
No, it isn't. You forgot to renew the tax on the car, that's all.
Oh, well, that was Ian. That was Ian all over.
No, it wasn't.
Interesting. Why do you like her? They tell you things. They love to contradict you. Past tense, did you notice? Sorry,
No farò
about her husband in the past tense. She joined in. They've known each other really just found the car.
You think she murdered her husband?
Definitely not. That's the sort of mistake a murderer would make.
I see. No, I don't. What am I seeing?
Fishing. Try fishing.
Mrs. Manfred?
Yes. Sorry, but I've already spoken with 2 policemen.
Well, we're not from the police. We're
Sherlock Holmes. Very old friend of yours. We grew up together.
I'm sorry, who? I don't think he ever mentioned you.
Hann hafa nefnilega fengið svolítið mikið nammi á það. Þannig að hún eiginlega var svona að gefast upp á það.
Svona flott örugglega, tæki.
Þetta nú svo risaeðlur komast svona í.
Það svo risaeðlu fótur.
Þarf ekki að leggja þetta í...
Heyrðu skoðar. Hún getur glasið með sama. Okay, bye.
Mr. Munford hired the car from you yesterday.
Yeah, Mazda RX-8. Wouldn't mind one of them as well.
Surely you can afford one, a Mazda, I mean.
Yeah, it's a perfect one. You know how it is, it's like working in a sweet shop. Once you start picking up the licorice all sorts, when does it all stop?
You didn't know Mr. Munford?
No.
Nice holiday, Mr. Ewart.
Hmm?
You've been away, haven't you?
Oh, no, it's sunbeds, I'm afraid, yeah. Too busy to get away. My wife would love it though.
Have you got any change for the cigarette machine?
Huh?
Well, I noticed one on the way in and haven't got any change.
No, sorry.
Oh, thank you very much for your time, Mr. Ewart. Been very helpful.
Come on, John.
I've got change if you still want to.
Nicotine patches. Remember, I'm doing well.
So what was that all about?
I needed to look inside his wallet.
Why?
Mr. Ewart's a liar.